Okay, it's currently 6:10 GMT, and the flows and effects are very thin right now, and I'm long in S&P in here, so looking for a little bit of a clip in this position. So I took a long in just in here, so the fill is at 39 49.9, and the stop is open just below this low. Actually, just go there. So the stop is just in here at this low, and entry at 39.49, and looking for a first clip something around in this area, I think something around this highs in here. So the reason being that fairly this is quite a beating behavior. I think if a little bit of volume comes in the market, so we'll see this pop up into this thicker area. I'll get out 60 to 70% of my position here, and let's see how it works with it. Then the stop, if you go on a higher time frame, this is 15 minutes. So you can see this is the higher time frame pocket. It hit that pocket, drew back in nicely, and a break just coming above this little shelf area. This is your core PCE data today at 1:30 GMT. So this move is showing me that it's trying to reach back up, but it's just not enough. So given it's Friday, and given it's Friday and the flows are a little bit light in here, so I think we can see a little bit of a drawback into this range rather than extending below those lows. So let's see, and the run into the level is also quite decent, I'd say. But let's see, I'm still sitting there, so it might just come into this area. But let's see. If it stalls for longer in here, I think I'll just close the trade right in here. So let's see. Okay, so 70% out of the position, and the stop is just below in this area. Let's see. Some more comes out, I think, in this 62, 63 area, and then something at 69. Let's see. And let's see. I think we can draw back into this area, but not today. Certainly, I think there's a very low probability that it will draw to this area today. Might be next week, but I don't think so. It can happen today, but I'm willing to hold this position into next week, just because most of the risk is taken out of this trade, and 70% is out of this. So let's see what action do we get today. We have still about 2.5 hours still market close. It's a weekly close today, so just looking at weekly, I think same area. I think we first come into 39.30 or 39.48, then possibly lower, but longer or medium term it looks quite bearish to me. So let's see, but I think we can even fill this gap and possibly this area before going to the downside, or reaching newer levels to the downside. So let's see. As far as the forex is concerned, so same thing, drawing up with the market, with S&P itself, sort of forming this what do you call it, pennant formation. And let's see, and this is your pound. So this is pound, and I'm long in here, by the way. Just took a position after the PC data in this area, and this is also scaled out. Just looking to see what happens in here, but I think we can make our way into here, same as S&P. So let's see how this trade progresses. But right now we can see it's currently rejecting and coming into this gap, so could be moved to break even, but I just want a little bit of protection. Not protection, but I think we might just come in and just fill in these gaps, and then consolidate, go sideways, or might even draw backs. Let's see. So last time I left the position in here. You were drawing down in here, so the stop was just below in here, and after some time it started to rally, so I wasn't at the screen and I closed some in here. So I closed 70% here, 10% in here, and now carrying the position to the next week. So this trade is I think done, and we'll see how we do with this next week. Same with pound. So position here, so long in here, exit in here, and exit in here. So let's see.